So you might be wondering, why does Apple charge so much for a pair of earphones that look identical to a pair of earphones they released 5 or 6 years ago? And that's not the question you should be asking. They designed the original earpods so that they could fit multiple different ear types, and it was never meant to fit all. But as long as it fits most users, that's what matters. Because it can't be perfect for everybody, and that cannot be helped. And in my case, it does fit me really well. So far, it hasn't fallen out of my ear a single time, and it's incredibly comfortable to wear, just like earpods. If you think about it, AirPods are the same size as earpods, but yet they have so much more tech built into them. A battery, which lasts for 4 hours, a proximity sensor, so that when you take one AirPod out of your ear, it pauses the music, as well as touchpads that can be used to invoke Siri or change tracks, and the speaker. And yet it managed to improve on the sound quality. Is the sound quality great or amazing in any way? No, it's just average. But I'm pretty happy with that. The reason AirPods exists and the reason why the headphone jack was taken out is a very simple one: to speed up the move to wireless. So what was the fastest way for Apple to make the industry and consumers adopt wireless at a faster rate? They achieved it by removing the headphone jack on the iPhone 7. And it is a controversial move, and would it be better if it was still present? Yes. But the fact is, if we want to push this technology forward, there's no way of doing it when most of the user base would rather just use wired headphones. So the only move to actually make people move to wireless was to remove the headphone jack. Now, is that fair to the customer? No. But if we really want our devices to actually improve and gain new experiences, it has to be done. Now, if other companies were willing to make these changes themselves, and if there was competition in the market today, I don't think Apple would be able to sustain a price like this because the product wouldn't sell. But AirPods are currently sold out worldwide, and AirPods aren't perfect, but Apple put in the time, the effort, the money required to build it. Unlike other companies that have been building headphones for a long time, who are unwilling to develop their own technology to actually build a chip to run their headphones, no one was willing to actually put in the time and effort to achieve all of this. As soon as Apple made a change, created a new way of doing things, everyone's begun to follow them. And now year in, we're finally going to be seeing some really good alternatives to AirPods. But we need to realize that it was all thanks to the AirPods that the wireless Bluetooth industry is actually becoming a reality. No matter how much we dislike being forced to adapt new technology, this is helping us build our wireless future. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching.